Hi everyone, it's Kuya Kimi, and for today, what we're going to react to is Pusuan or Laruan by Marian Honor! Yay! For those who have been following me on TikTok, alam niyo na mahal ko tong show na to ni Marian Honor. Kasi puksaan, hanapan ng jowa, hanapan ng nanay, tatay, nakamukha, or ka-vibes daw nung kalandian nila doon. And to produce like this type of reality TV show on the internet na ganito ka-chaotic, gets ba? Ibang level tong Pusuan Laruan, ibang level si Marian Honor. And alam ko iba yung ginawa nilang format for this episode. Excited ako kasi for sure may mga standouts na naman na mangyayari na contestants dito. Medyo matagal na to a week ago nila pinost, pero ngayon ko lang siya papanood for the first time. Yeah, let's go, let's do this! And we're rolling in 3, 2, and 1.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today
Oh,
we'll
here we
be playing
go!
a matchmaking game, the Liga 1 edition of
Pusuan or Laruan!
Single women on my left.
Ibang-iba nga yung format.
And hopefully, may mag-join sa kanila for a Pusuan speed date. Each sex is
Girl, my introvert ass could never. Oh, what do you mean? Pupunta ka sa harapan kung wala pang lumalapit dyan. I cannot. Marian Honor, what is this witchcraft na ginawa mo for this episode? I can't.
And at the end of the date, tingnan natin kung meron magpa-pop or kung magkakaroon tayo ng Pusuan match.
So basically, yung episode is parang speed dating version ng mga regular episodes ng Pusuan or Laruan. Sabi ni Marian Honor siguro, itong mga to napaka-choosy naman, lagi na lang wala nagmamatch. So ngayon, sige, kayo na mismo ang pumili at magsabi kung sino bet nyo ditong maging jowa.
So does anyone want to start and come up here?
Girl, I
This
can't.
group?
I
This
can't.
group?
What do you mean, first in line? Napaka-real ng producer na yan. Agree. Walang tatayo. Wow, 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 wow. First guy,
Okay,
first guy.
So, may liligawan ka ba or magpapakilala ka lang?
Liligawan.
Oh! What? What do you mean? Meron na kagad?
Ang baluan?
Ah!
Alright, so please go over here. We'll give you 2 minutes on the clock. Timer starts now.
Hi, I'm JC.
Hi,
Ay.
JC.
Nalaglag ka agad.
Flower tuloy, heart pala sa'yo.
Alright.
Big boy cuddler.
What does that? Big boy
What do you mean? Ano meaning nun? Is that some straight shit?
toddler?
Big boy cuddler. So,
Big boy cuddler.
Big boy
how
cuddler.
do you feel about big boys?
I like big boys.
Yes, sir.
Oh!
Big boy
So, how do you feel about cuddling?
Cuddling, I love cuddling.
So, on a first date, what do you expect from a guy?
From a guy, when I date guys, I usually try to see their personality first. So I like talking. A lot of people call me a yapper.
With that voice, ate ko, mag-yap ka lang na mag-yap because ang ganda ng boses niya.
So if you're into girls who talks a lot, that I'm one of them. Yeah.
I can listen. Okay lang.
Are you a talker or a listener?
With the right vibe, yes.
What is
the right
your
girl,
vibe?
What is the vibe?
What is the right girl for you?
I
Right.
mean, if I feel the girl is the right one for me, then why not, diba?
Do you have any specific taste in women?
I like
or-
what I like.
You like what is it that you
Ano yun? Ano kung gusto mo?
Really, describe a girl kasi I feel that's superficial. You can't really describe if na in love ka na eh. So,
Girl, I swear, kung nangyari to between gays, walang ganun. We are too specific. We know what we want. I mean, what do you mean na hindi mo alam kung ano gusto mo? What do you mean the vibe would just pass? That doesn't pass for us.
I think you should be the one asking me questions.
Oh! 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 Love ko na siya. Love ko na si ate girl.
Okay, fine. I want to know you more.
Oh,
What is
okay,
your
okay.
job?
I'm a
do you
nursing
do?
student right now.
Oh, I'm a dietitian.
Hey,
Oh, interesting. And how old are you?
26, you?
I'm also 26. Are you turning 27 this year?
Yeah, you?
Turning 27 this year.
Hey.
Nine.
Mm.
Nag-match lang ng age. ano na eh. Puso and match.
So, I guess...
Okay, time's up. Alright, so time's up, guys. So please join me over here. So if wala ng final questions, I wanna ask, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
No.
Okay,
Ate
and
girl.
sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Pop. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
you can
Yes.
go ahead
Agree.
and pop his balloon. Oh.
No, walang hug. I-pop mo. Ah! Ah!
Oh, wait. So,
Wait.
bakit-
Wait. What do you mean siya yung nag-pop? Hindi ba dapat yung girl yung nag-pop ng balloon?
ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
No, because I've been working for quite some time already. I kind of want someone on the same wavelength.
Oh.
Do you have any response to that?
Well, I used to work, pero I just got back to school kasi talaga. So, I get it now. No
Oh.
hard feelings.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much. Unfortunately, wala tayong match for today, but thank you for getting up, man.
Ang ganda, kasi ganun-ganun lang. In 2 minutes, alam ni Marian Honor if may magjojowa na ba dito or wala. Ay, ganda ng bagong format in fairness.
King of the courage. All right, thank you. So, who wants to go next? Baka gusto may magpakilala dyan? Or kung may natatype na kayo within this group, pwede nyo ligawan? Oh, okay. Over
Uy!
here.
Uy!
May ka ba gustong ligawan?
Uy!
Meron.
Uy!
Go ahead. Pahingi ng 2 balloons.
Ah! Oh my gosh!
Okay!
Inabot lang talaga ni ate, parang ano lang nag-aabot ng donasyon na envelope.
Alright, so please go over here. We'll give you 2
No, oh my
minutes
gosh.
on the clock. Timer
Oh.
starts now.
Hi, my name is Justine.
Tama ba?
I'm Jay.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Ang ganda!
Yes, 7 years.
Okay, so, ano yung line of work mo?
Line of work ko now is multimedia.
Okay.
I'm actually working at the record label, which is Wild Dream Records.
Okay, just for context.
I did not expect na maging GL siya, but I'm all for it. Like, yes! Bring the girls out.
Jay is actually working for us here at Pasuan and at Wild Dream Records where I'm the record label head. So, thank you so much.
Office mate naman pala ni Marian Honor. Can you imagine kung paano nabuo na parang, ikaw, nandito ka na rin naman, umupo ka na dyan sa sofa na yan para maging contestant ka.
You sound like a busy person. Do you think you'd have time to date?
Oh,
Actually,
loaded question.
for now, I don't think so. Yes. But, I'm open naman sa mga...
Ano, what do you mean na hindi ka ready? Tapos nakaupo ka dyan? Mukha talagang hinatak lang to ni Marian Honor.
Getting to know each other, kind of casual.
Yeah.
Yes.
Another question, botante ka ba? Botante ka ba?
Botante?
Yes. Yes, but yeah.
Ganon. Okay.
What does that mean?
Okay, time's up. Thank you so much, you two. All right, so please
Mid.
join me over here.
Very
okay,
mid.
so kung wala ng final questions, I'd like to ask, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Very, very.
Kasi parang, busy siya masyado.
Oh.
How about on your end? Ano, plano mo din ba siyang i-pop or type mo ba sana siya?
To be honest, yes. Ipapop ko po yung
Oh,
balloon.
bakit?
Oh.
Basically, yung pagde-date po kasi hindi pa rin po ako ready. Yeah. Because of
Okay.
Bakit ko kasi pinaupo yan dyan kung hindi naman pala handa na magka-jowa? Like, how does that connect? How does that connect, you guys?
work, and at the same time, I'm focusing on my mother. Since ako po yung breadwinner po. Yeah.
Kuya ko din.
Ano, balik mo doon? Hindi, pero set ka na dun sa answer mo.
Yes,
Ikaw
if it's
din.
okay with casual, it's good.
Cute second couple, let's
Who wants
see.
to go next? Anyone from either side?
Oy.
Alright. Okay, so magpapakilala ka lang ba?
It's
or may
giving
nililigawan
rakista.
Magpapakilala lang.
ka? Okay.
Okay.
What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Gerald. 34 years old.
Okay.
Single pa rin hanggang ngayon. 10 years na.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
Payment officer sa Angkat PH.
Okay. And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
Playing video games. Yan. Tapos, nilalaro ko video games like Tekken. Yan. Tapos, sports, soccer.
Okay. And anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Men.
Pwedeng personality or physical?
Of course, Tekken.
We'll give you 15 seconds on the clock and hopefully someone joins you for a speed date.
Girl,
starting
oh my gosh. I cannot. I,
Anyone?
like,
Okay.
nananahimik
Want to
lang.
join? 3, 2,
What?
1. Oh.
Okay.
Ang awkward! How do you even go up there again? Nawala nang... Ikaw na mismo yung pumunta doon. Wala ka lang pumunta.
Okay. Thank you so much. Alright, so anyone else want to try?
Brutal! What do you mean? May gusto pa mag-try? Wala na pupunta dyan. Wala pupunta dyan.
Okay, so magpapakilala ka ba or may liligawan?
Ooh,
Magpapakilala.
edgy.
Okay, so hi, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Isa. I'm 28 years old and content
Love.
creator.
And ano naman
Love.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to do videos,
Oh.
photography, tapos
Oh.
crochet, painting,
crochet.
music.
Ano namang hanap
Sobrang random nung crochet. We love a crochet queen.
mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality traits or physical traits?
Hanap ko yung hindi mama's boy.
Hello, I'm the mama's boy.
No. 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 Kakasabi lang niya.
Question ko, kung magde-date tayo saan?
First, going on long walks.
Long walks. Ayoko ng long walks kasi lagi ako naka-high heel. Willing ka bang ipasan ako?
Take you to a beautiful dinner at McDonald's because you have high heels. That
McDo-
I'm actually
McDo talaga. Sa lahat ng pwede, McDo. Kahit man kung wari, joke time lang. Kahit Team Ho1, okay lang. McDo talaga kung yan.
I like your tats and your goth, what do you call this?
Bye.
Persona. How about you?
I like you too.
Hindi kayo na-expect na marupak rin ng ate natin, eh.
I like that. I like that. So,
Okay na, magde-date na kayo.
very good, very good. Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay, time's up. All right, so I think I know the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway. So, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
99.9
99.9.
Yes.
Meron pang 0.1.
to avoid the germs.
Okay, for the germs. Kala ko for the date later. Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes, 100%.
Okay! Alright, you have a wizard match! So please take each other's hands and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Okay, so who's next?
Ewan ko. Like, yung guy, hindi ko in-expect na yung girl would be so G with that type of guy.
Magpapakilala ka ba or may liligawan ka?
Magpakilala lang.
So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Michael. I'm 29.
Taray ng jacket ni
Currently,
Michael,
I'm taking
ah.
a break from work to be a full-time MBA student.
Okay, so ano
Wow.
yung hobbies mo? And how about mga deal breakers? Meron ka pang deal breakers? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Feel ko naman madami, but I guess on the top of my head, what's important for me is a person that has delicadeza.
So 15 seconds on the clock. And hopefully, someone's gonna join you for a Pusuan speed date. Timer starts now.
Hindi ko talaga kaya to. Oy! Hindi tumagal. May utumayo.
Now we're gonna give you 2 minutes on the clock for a Pusuan speed date. Timer starts now.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you
Oh.
Chinese?
Yes, what's your name pala?
Crystal.
This girl is real.
May gusto ko sabihin.
Ano?
Oh.
Ni hao, fine.
New fine what?
And nag-MBA din ako.
Tapos na?
Wow.
Hindi.
Was it part-time when you were doing it?
Sorry.
Part-time MBA? Or...
Masters.
you were doing a master's.
Hindi na naintindihan. Ate ko, yung options is part-time or full-time.
What do you mean by MBA ba?
A Master's in Business Administration.
Ayun, nagganon ako nung 2021.
Okay. So you did it part-time. Like,
Nagganon ako. Para lang pumunta ng Enchanted Kingdom eh.
I like to collect. So,
Like what?
mga toys from childhood, stuff like that.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's good to know.
Yeah. So you mentioned
That's good to know.
cooking. Did
Yeah.
you study cooking or just from your...
Okay, time's up.
Okay.
Sorry, you guys. All right, so please join me over here.
Uh.
So, since you guys had a chance to get to know each other, I'm gonna ask you now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I think no. I think it's not the
Yeah,
right fit.
it's not
Okay, so you can go
vibing.
ahead and pop her balloon.
Okay. I guess the MBA thing was very confusing at the start. I got
Okay.
lost there.
Agree. Kahit ako na-confuse ako.
Okay, na off track ako after that. I think we both got confused there.
Response ko lang sa sabi niya.
Oh, yun. Confused din.
Yeah, we were just confused.
Who wants to go next? Anyone from this side or this side? All right. Hi, welcome back to the show. Thank you.
Cute.
Edition naman.
Your experience.
Okay, so gusto mo bang magpakilala or may liligawan ka ba from this room?
Pakilala.
All right. So now, please sit over here and we'll give you 15 seconds on the clock and hopefully someone joins you for a Pusuan speed date. Timer starts now. Anyone from either side of the couch wants to join her? Just for fun, guys. Just getting to know each other and we'll see in the end.
Oh.
All right, please give
We
her
love a
balloon
girl's
in.
girl.
So, timer starts now.
Hello. Hi. Ano name mo? Ali. Age mo? 31. Sorry. 31.
Sige, magkapakilala mo na ako. I'm Yam, 24 years old. And work ko, industrial engineer. Ikaw, ano
Wow.
work mo ngayon?
Ano ako, healthcare virtual assistant. Healthcare virtual assistant.
Into, ano ka ba, LGBTQ or hindi?
Marian Honor, girl, na-brief mo ba yung mga tao dito? Because that question.
Open, pero to be honest, parang sa much older.
Oh, siya pala dapat yun nandito.
Ay, pinamigay. Ako naman muna,
Sige, ikaw
tatanong.
naman.
Anong hobbies mo?
Hobbies ko, sports, volleyball, sa music din, naga-drums ako. Tapos, karaoke, gym din. Ikaw ba?
Ayun, yung mention ko kanina, food trip, tapos coffee hopping, tapos K-pop.
Oh.
Ayun. Anong K-pop group yung?
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Pala to.
Ayan na. Basta K-pop just unites people together. Oh my God, ang saya.
Sino-sino?
K-pop chika na pala.
Yung
More on girl groups ako.
Sample, Blackpink, anong Twice.
Sorry sa mga blinks dyan, pero medyo overhype. Sorry. Sorry.
What do you mean? Blackpink is not overhyped, my queen.
Pero I mean, I like their songs. Di lang ako fan. Yun, parang casual fan lang, ganun.
Oh. So, ano yung mga K-pop group na?
Okay, sorry, time's up. Okay, so please join
Catch up
me
naman
over
pala.
here.
Into older po siya.
Oh, okay.
So, pero ikshaba.
We love a queen na pinapauna. We love a queen na submissive. A submissive queen.
Okay, bago mag-pop ng balloon, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sorry.
Oh, cute pa naman nila sana together.
Oh, hello. All
Wow.
right. So magpapakilala ka ba or may liligawan ka?
Magpapakilala po.
Okay. Hobbies mo or what you like to do for fun?
Let's go.
Hobbies ko right now, actually, I'm super active ngayon. So, I
Go to the
I love
gym
an active
regularly.
active
and then
queen.
I do hiking.
Wow.
Party.
Ooh.
Marami.
Please take a seat over here and we'll give you 15 seconds on the clock. Timer starts now. Okay, anyone from either couch want to join her for a speed date?
I cannot. I swear to God,
Ladies,
hindi ko kaya gawin ko nung ginagawa nila.
Alright, time's up. Okay, well, unfortunately, walang nag-join sa'yo for a speed
Personal-
date. Thank you so much for
Marian Honor, ipagawa mo na lahat. Tumalon sa bangin, malaglag sa roller coaster ride. Diyos ko, ano ba tong format na to? Ang chaotic talaga, ibang level.
gathering the courage to join us up here. Thank you.
But props to Mama.
Alright, so, okay, hi. So, magpapakilala ka ba or may liligawan ka?
Magpapakilala.
So, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Yael, 30 years old, accountant. Before, taong bahay ako. Pero patalon-talon ako ng hobbies. So,
Paano
I
yung
used to play
tumatalon?
instrument. Since yung nagkamotor ako, ayan, lagi na ako nasa labas. So, recently, nagbo-bouldering, free dive, mga ganyan.
Okay, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Akala ko ba riding in tandem tong si Kuya?
Someone who, may substance, kausap.
Ay.
Masarap kausap. Second, empathetic.
Oh.
And third, siguro, independent or kahit working to be independent. Someone who
Wow,
can function on their
okay.
own. Or someone who respects my me time.
Alright. How about mga deal breakers? Meron ka bang deal breakers?
Ready na mag-settle down. Kasi ako,
Yun yung gusto mo or yun yung ayaw?
Yan ang ayaw mo?
okay.
Bakit?
Nasa phase pa ako na nag-explore pa rin.
Alright. Well,
Sa bagay, may motor siya. Ina-explore niya yung lahat ng lugar sa Pinas siguro.
thank you for sharing that with us. So, please take a seat. Let's see kung meron mag-join sa'yo for a Pusuan speed date. Okay, so, timer starts now.
Girl,
Speed date. Okay, so, timer starts now.
Girl, can I just say na mahal ko na ata si ate, Miss Queen, Miss Diva na naka-red top dyan sa sofa. Buong 20 minutes na tumatakbo tong show na to, not once does this girl show any interest to anyone sa guys, both verbal and non-verbal.
Ladies or guys even, if anyone wants to, parang meron sa crowd na gusto mag-join. How about over here? Anyone want to join him for a quick speed date?
Mahirap.
Just getting to know or
Hard.
hanging out.
This is so hard.
Okay, time's up. Well, thank you so
Ang
much.
hirap. Alam nyo kung ginana mag-bumble na lang kayo.
Alright, thank you so much. Does anyone else want to go? Baka meron kayong type dito sa room na to that you want to try na ligawan.
Sabi ni Marian Honor, hindi sa mga nakaupo na anyone in the room. Kahit siguro yung production crew gusto na ni Marian Honor na umupo dyan sa upuan na yan.
Okay, so please join us over here. Okay, na microphone din. Alright, so, magpapakilala ka ba or may liligawan ka?
Ay, papakilala lang.
Okay, alright. So, hi, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Trix. I'm 29. I work as a
Trix.
HR business partner.
Cute.
So, please take a seat and let's see if someone will join you for a quick Pusuan speed date. Timer starts now. Anyone want to join her? Just getting to know or just for fun. From this side, guys. I thought you were about to start. You know? Okay, alright. Well, thanks, son.
Guys! What do you mean? Walang tumatayo! Nag-rent ng studio si Marian Honor para dito. The whole crew, binook niya. The whole set, inayos nila. Tapos wala man lamang tatayo.
But thank you so much for gathering the courage to get up here. Oh, baka may mga gusto man ligaw.
Pagod na. Pagod na si Marian Honor. Pagod na. Wala na to si script. Sabi niyo, wala na pa daw. Wala ba talaga? Wala ba?
Now or never. Okay.
Oh my God, si Kuya ulit. Oh my God, si Kuya ulit.
Okay. So, meron ka bang gustong
gosh.
ligawan?
Ay, may gusto akong ligawan.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Sinabi ko na nga ba? Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
so please sit over here. We'll give you 2 minutes on the clock. Timer starts now.
Pwede malaman ang pangalan mo.
I'm Sheen.
Sheen.
Yes.
By the way, I'm Gerald.
Gerald.
So, ilang taon na kayo?
27.
27. Ako, 34 na.
Okay.
This year. So, anong favorite mo? Ginagawa sa buhay, trabaho? Yan.
Work ko, casino dealer. Ang hobbies is, I like cooking. Tapos,
Uy, favorite ko yan.
recently, nag-try ako mag-read ng books. Tapos, maging active sa running and walking.
Right.
Tas, pero naman ako, I like to explore things kasi. So, yeah.
Nice.
If, magdi-date tayo, saan mo ko dadalhin? Like,
Sa kwek-kwekan. Kaya ba?
sa kwek-kwekan ba?
Oo, sa street foods.
Okay.
Yan. Kaya?
Si ate girl, nananahimik lang sa upuan. Hinatak mo sa table na yan. Tapos, dadalhin mo siya sa kwek-kwekan.
So, anong favorite color mo?
Favorite color?
This is so cringe. I cannot.
Bakit
This
may
is
suot
so
ng maroon?
cringe.
Well, maganda
so
yung kutis ko sa
cringe.
maroon kasi. Yeah, sa mga darker colors.
Pansin mo
so,
din parehas tayo ng color.
Actually.
So, yun. Uminom ka ba?
Ha?
Uminom ka ba?
Hindi.
Good. Tama yan. Smoke.
Hindi rin.
Ayan. Ayos yan. Pagpatuloy mo yan.
Nagpayo naman pala.
So, please join me over here.
Putok. For the love of everything that's good in this world, ate ko, please lang, putukin mo na kagad yung balon niya.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya? Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, you can go ahead and pop his balloon. Siya pa nagbigay ng pampop.
Okay.
Alright, so, what happened? Bakit ka nag-pop? Bakit ka nag-pop bigla ng balloon? Type-wise, Tiko, kasi, I mean, you're attractive naman, but you're not my type. Personal preference lang. Magpapakilala ka ba or may liligawan ka?
Magpapakilala lang po.
Ideal partner. Pwedeng personality traits or physical traits?
Yung masungit po siguro.
Gusto mo nang masungit?
Opo.
Gusto niya masungit?
Para at least, pag naging mabait siya sa akin, at least alam ko na totoo yung feelings.
Talagang na-earn niya yung pagiging mabait niya. Thank you for sharing that with us. So please take a seat. Hopefully, someone joins you for a Pusuan Speed Date. Timer starts now. Okay, anyone? Ladies?
Oh my gosh.
Anyone wanna go, even just for fun?
Oh my gosh. Please. Please, tumayo na kayo. Walang tumayo na naman.
May liligawan ka ba or magpapakilala lang?
Manliligaw.
Okay.
Wow!
Alright, so take your pick from anyone in the room.
Wow, okay, let's go. Kay Marian Honor niya ibibigay. Kay Marian Honor.
Ikaw daw. Now.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Michael, okay.
Michelle and Michael. Cute.
How old are you?
29.
29. 29 also.
Oh, okay.
What do you do?
I work in an insurance company.
Insurance. Which side of insurance?
We have all of it mostly.
Left side.
Business.
Which side of insurance? The back or the front?
Farm.
You're in sales ba? Parang no. Okay. Hindi ka
No.
sure. Okay, sige.
More on finance part, yes.
I see. Mahirap yan.
Yeah. I have a question for you.
Go.
How long have you been single?
Technically, long-term wise, since ever. So I've had maybe
Wow.
flings or short-term.
Okay.
Pero
Wow.
in terms of relationship that I'd call a girlfriend, I'd say never. Because parang I see that in conjunction with a wife na. Like if I make someone my girlfriend, I need to be able to see that the same way as a wife. Like, yun na yun. So,
King. That is a king. Green flag si Michael. My gosh. Parang sa lahat ng cast dyan sa buong Pusuan or Laruan, parang first time ko makarinig ng ganyan all throughout the different episodes. King, Michael. Respect.
parang for me, it takes a lot to get to that point.
Okay.
Because I don't want to do girlfriends, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I kind of get it.
Without seeing that person as actually a potential life partner. Yeah. How about you?
How long I've been single?
Yeah.
3 years.
What happened with the last?
Well, to cut it short, it didn't work.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So, what
You want to
else?
spill the tea?
Sorry?
You want to spill the tea on why it didn't work?
Well, I got disconnected siguro sa partner ko.
Fell
Yeah.
out of love.
Kind of drifted apart and I'm not a part na nagwe-waste ng time ng isang tao. So, I decided to end it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Walang issue.
Spicy.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I think she's great actually. Masaya siya kausap. Pero probably as a friend.
Oh.
That's okay, guys.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for the Liguan edition of Pusuan
or Laruan. Again, Marian Honor. Eat that! Do I prefer yung previous na format or itong format na to? I think either versions are fine. Feeling ko depende rin kasi talaga sa cast na nandoon. Pero feeling ko if there's anything, feeling ko kailangan rin talaga na may parang certain activities na magpapakilala, voluntarily kailangan magpakilala yung mga tao sa mga cast members nila during the actual recording. Kasi nga parang feeling ko without it, it's really more on just bumble face value lang talaga yung tinitignan. Kailangan lang something to connect. Or sino ba ako? Sino ba ako para magdikta ng magkaganon, di ba? Tama, mali! But it was a fun episode. It was a fun episode to watch. Wala, nakakatuwa. Excited to watch more Pusuan or Laruan episodes by the one, the only, Marian Honor. And I think that's it. For more reaction videos, like and subscribe to Kuya Kimi's channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!